light, I close my eyes. The world grows still, my fears grow thin. A gentle hand I cannot see, but somehow I am held again. When I was lost in restless days, and every breath was hard to keep, a silent hope began to bloom, like morning light inside my sleep. Through fragile hours, through broken dreams, a tender voice still calls my name. Not loud, not proud, but always near. A love that asks for nothing back. What waits ahead, but I am held. I am held.